If I told you that shampoo was invented in India, would you believe me? You better do. In 1762, shampoo was invented in the eastern parts of the Mughal Empire. Back then, it was referred to a head massage with natural oils and herbs. In fact, the English word shampoo comes from the Hindi word champu, which is derived from the Sanskrit word chapayati, meaning to massage or to knead. Interesting, right? Jump in for 10 such shocking discoveries that the world ought to thank India for. Number 1. The zero. This is one of the biggest and the most important contributions in the field of mathematics. India gave the world zero. It literally means nothing, but without it, there would have been no binary system and consequently, no computers. Aryabhatta, the genius behind numerous mathematical and astronomical breakthroughs, was the inventor of the mighty zero. Number 2. Yoga. In this fast, stressful life, the world has opened its arms to yoga. It was India that discovered, practiced and preached the practice of yoga to the world at large. The origin of yoga can be traced back to Lord Shiva, who was also known as the first yoga guru. Number 3. The USB, Universal Serial Bus. The little removable storage device that gave nothing but convenience was made by none other than Indian-American computer architect Ajay V. Bhatt. The USB not only saved space but was also portable and light. Number 4. Board games. The pandemic and the subsequent global lockdown took us back to an old love of ours, board games. And again, we must thank India for classics like chess and snakes and ladders. During the British rule in India, this ancient Indian game made its way to England and later to the US. Number 5. Wireless communication. Wireless communication revolutionized the way we communicate. Although history credits Guglielmo Marconi for inventing the wireless radio communication, it was Sir Jagdish Chandra Bose who was actually the first person to demonstrate the use of radio waves for communication publicly back in 1895, exactly 2 years before Marconi gave a similar demo in England. Number 6. Buttons. Without India, you probably wouldn't have been able to button your shirt. Yes, you heard that right. The button was invented by the Indus Valley Civilization in 2000 BC. 5,000 years ago, buttons were made out of seashells. Number 7. Cure for lithiasis and leprosy. For centuries now, India has been contributing substantially to the field of medicine. Ancient Indian text Atharva Veda, as old as 1500 BC, had mentioned the cure for leprosy, though the inventor's name still remains unknown. Even the treatment for development of stones in the body, known as lithiasis, was described in the Sushruta Samhita, a 6th century BCE textbook on ancient surgery. Number 8. Cataract surgery. Yet another breakthrough in the medical field, yet another Indian behind it. In the 3rd century BCE, Indian physician Sushrut performed this surgery. Although the method was successful, he advised people to perform the surgery only when absolutely necessary. Number 9. Natural fibers. Natural fibers like jute, wool and cotton have their roots in India. The world-renowned finest wool cashmere or pashmina came from Kashmir and is used to make the softest and the warmest of shawls. Cotton fabrics were discovered during the excavation of a Mohenjo-daro site. In fact, since ancient days, India has been growing jute and exporting it to the West. Number 10. Ayurveda. Last but not the least, India gave birth to the science of life, Ayurveda. Founded by the father of medicine, Charak, Ayurveda is a traditional school of medicine invented and practiced in India for over 5,000 years now. This ancient system of medicine helps people heal and attain good health without the use of prescription drugs. That is how Ayurveda became popular across the world as a complementary and alternative medicine. India has been one of the oldest and richest civilizations in the world and has a prominent history of being pioneers in the field ranging from fashion to medicine. Our heritage is to be proud of, and as the forerunners of our country's legacy, we must try to contribute towards its enhancement. Till then, stay tuned for more such enlightening episodes of Mind Wars.